Presenting a pre-owned 2023 Rivian R1T. This four-door truck has a two-cylinder engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Rivian is a great value with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 69 miles per gallon in the city and 60 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.